Hi, I'm Marilyn McCoo.
And I'm Billy Davis Jr.
We believe that Curt Flood should be inducted into baseball's Hall of Fame for his accomplishments and for his recognition. Time magazine singled him out as one of the most influential athletes of the 20th century. Sports Illustrated called him baseball's best center fielder of his time.
Curt took a stand that ruined his career, but was directly responsible for the free agency system that exists in Major Ball today. Curt should be recognized for his life and the impact that he had in his field.
We're joining with Congress, the National Major League Baseball Players Association, and the sports unions
in petitioning the National Baseball Hall of Fame to vote Curt Flood into the Hall where he belongs.